Good afternoon. This is Marc with Porsche Delaware with our 2024 Porsche Restoration Challenge car. This year we're doing a 1958 356 Speedster. The car was kind of a rough barn find. We're going to do our best to restore it back to its original glory. Although I believe we're going to keep the outer body as original as possible. The wear on the car kind of tells a story, and I think that's important that people know that story. Our plans are to go through the whole car, front to back. We're going to do the suspension, the brakes. We're going to go through the transmission, the engine, and make a really nice car out of this. With keeping the way it was found, we're going to keep that appearance on the car. Pretty excited about what's in front of us. So. Stay with us and we'll be back with you soon.